These bells, eh? I'm not too long reaching from work. I'm gonna pull out my ear because I look crazy. I'm going to the shop right now. I'm gonna start vlog. I can't forget to the people. I'm just gonna start vlog now. As you guys see, I'm just buy some chicken. I'm gonna do some stewed chicken and rice. So I'm just put some water, then I'm gonna boil some water and put it on the chicken so you can thaw it pretty easy. I'm gonna cut it up and season it up and then we'll cook it, and that's for dinner. I'm gonna just drink some champagne soda and drink it down in Belgium. So thank God. Pray and go to bed. But yeah. Maybe today video I go late again, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me. Alright guys, so when you season up the chicken now, so when you put a little bit of salt, not a lot. Right, we're gonna put some all-purpose. Can't put all of it. We're gonna put some chicken season, guys. We're gonna just put some powder season, okay? We're doing stewed chicken. Jerk. I'm here at Michael. from when you see the bathroom, when you know so the vlog done. Guys, I'm gonna have my dinner right now while I'm editing this video to post for you guys right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. Guys will come and say, no, I'm not missing no day, never. So yeah, I'm wrapping my Peter Get Life shirt. Remember me to do the merch because the people that would always support my store, buy a shirt or buy a cup or buy anything from my store back then. Not a real MVP, right? So this is it for today. Hopefully tomorrow is more festive. And just put myself, guys. Oh, my video for go make on TikTok. Oh yeah, as I didn't make that video there. And then I get ready for bed. Then I clean up my phone. Tomorrow's the next day. Vlogmas. The days are soon Christmas. It's soon Christmas, and then Saturday I'm gonna go out. You guys gonna see Amanda and so forth. But yeah, I'm gonna say, guys, I don't want my dinner to be cold, so just be up you guys self. As I mentioned, if you guys want to surprise me in any way, my PayPal is below, all my social is below. Just want to show some love, big up on yourself, and I see you guys in the next video.